Welcome viewers. Welcome viewers to this edition of the David Robertson Show, where I'm your host, David Robertson. Well, getting underway, viewers. Today is Tuesday morning. Amen. What a beautiful day. I believe the 14th, April 14th, 2020, Tuesday morning. A little after 12 p.m. We're on fair location in the city of, I'm going to say, Pleasant Ridge. It's simply the location where the Detroit Zoo is at. Right off of Woodward there, just a little north of the 696 overpass, the Detroit Zoo. Well, anyway, for you viewers who are familiar with the landscape, I'm going to have my camera engineer pan the camera to try to give you a bird's eye view of exactly where it. You viewers had to see this enormous, giant construction site that's underway, and unfortunately work has been suspended in accordance with the, executive order pertaining to COVID-19. But at any rate there, a massive complex there sits right on the, let's say, the northeast corner of Woodward and I-96. Well, we're directly across the street here over at the zoo. Well, now, we want you to focus on that street light at the end of it. There's a large bird there. And that bird, folks, is a Cooper hawk awaiting to see a pigeon. Yep, he wants lunch. But viewers, I've got a massive influx of emails stating that they've been noticing Cooper hawks. And if I'm not mistaken, that is considered a protected species. And other birds, starlings and sparrows, fall dead directly out of the sky while in flight. Did you hear that? And hit the ground. And when you examine, and some had physically, they're out jogging and walking, trying to get a little air in view of this social distancing and stuff, en route of making an essential trip, like to the pharmacy or a doctor's office, and opposed to drive, they thought they walked. Now they're exercising protocol and safety measures with with the mask or what have you. I think it's called an N95 or what have you, and the gloves and social distancing. But en route, they've noted dead birds. I'm talking with the carcass in perfect tact. So you can't attribute it to being attacked by another bird or some silly kid shooting it down. That carcass is in perfect order. And some have stated so much, seeing it fall directly out of the sky. Now, several months ago, I made a mention on that on one of my past videos or what have you, if you viewers care to remember. And it was a mystery to me. I located it at two different locations. One in the fair city of Madison Heights, a little bit of on 11 Mile, a little bit of west of 11 Mile, at that, I believe it's a Sunoco gas station, a little bit from Selena's Bar and Grill, and another in the city of Detroit, right on Woodward Avenue, about 100 yards south of the State Fairground Transit Center, the bus station. And at that point in time, we did what we could in terms of notifying and contacting who's who. And to go without saying, there was intentional recommendations, but nothing physically done. But now, there's another thing going around. They say reason for these birds just dropping out of the sky like that, get a load of this, viewers, is because the installation and the upgrade of the 5G cell phone network. Could you get a load of that? I couldn't believe it. They said now, according to them, viewers, I'm just giving you what you requested to me. They have undisputed proof that, and I'm going to just put it out as it was put to me. I want you to know that this isn't the views of my particular station, but yet I do have an obligation to my viewers to air and talk on what's their concern. Now, with that being said, going further, they say these are trial tests, that when they turn that thing on, if I can use that in layman terms, the 5G cell tower, the radiation, the EMF, electromagnetic force, the radiation associated with that is more than 1,000 times amplified or multiplied more than the 4G. And it's so doggone powerful, eyewitnesses have said that they have noticed birds just sitting in a tree drop instantly, dead as a doorknob. Ducks or what have you, keeping their head underwater for longer periods of time. All kind of stuff. Now, they also say if you want further proof, and I'm just putting it out there in accordance to a viewer, they say, now a lot of this information is outside of USA jurisdiction. I guess that's how they're able to ascertain it. But anyway, it's coming up out of Europe, Germany to be exact. There is a news station with the website of www.klr.tv. That's www.klr.tv /5G cell tower. And they say they got some stuff on that will literally make your head stand up regarding the installation and the effects of that 5G cell tower. Folks, you need to know that this is what they feel is considered a quantum leap in terms of technology. This is thought to be the first time ever in the human race history there's such a quantum leap as the construction and installation and operation of this 5G cell tower, folks, according to them. I mean, I've always known that communication was in the route of improving and upgrading to make it a more or less seamless internet. And it's always been a known fact that urban areas, have the most dead space. For some reason, that signal just can't get through. Well, they say with this 5G cell tower, that SOB can get through any and everything clear and has the ability to digitize And I mean, with that installation of the RFID, working in connection with the NFC, this thing will be installed and in place, put in practically, literally everything that one can imagine. Whereas that they will have, and according to, these overseas viewers, this stuff is so sophisticated, whereas a car can be driven autonomously, as simple as you really need, if you get a chance, viewers, to go online to klr.tv/13542. I repeat, klr.tv/13542. And get back with me, viewers, and I want you to give me your thoughts and comments, because I just checked it out, and I'm still in awe. Well, at any rate, that beautiful bird that you see taking off is a Cooper Hawk, and that's one of the many that's fell victim in this. Viewers, they say this 5G cell tower business, quote unquote, is an integrity on the health of not only animals, but human life, period. They have accredited agencies that have classified the amount of radiation transmitted from just one tower to go in what is called Category 2 in terms of carcinogen. And now, they just recently went back and upgraded that category to 2 to 1, where it's straight up, undeniably cancer causing. They said that's just the tip of the iceberg, viewers, of the health that stems from use of that. They say, viewers, you really need to go to that station, viewers. I repeat, according to them, a preponderance amount of viewers adamantly, strongly, categorically recommend, if you get this video from my show, they admonish you to go to klr.tv/the numerals 13542. And signing off from the Pleasant Ridge side that sits directly across the street from the fair city of Royal Oak, Eyewitness, one of many workout facilities and exercise facilities that also fell to the wayside due to the executive order. We're going to get through this, folks. Stay safe, practice social distancing, and if possible, isolate yourself home. If possible. We're going to get through this, folks. Let's just keep a level head. And let's put aside our differences, because we're all in this together. Once again, after this broadcast, go to www.klr.tv/13542 in accordance to the massive influx of viewers who emailed this show. Stay safe and stay blessed. Talk to you later.